Hi friends, today we are going for Nelmangla. For why? Why we are going?
To buy Ganesha.
Okay. Tumkur another 60 kilometers I think.
60 ಇಲ್ಲ 60 ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಟಿ ಬೇಗೂರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ
ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ
ಅದೊಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಊರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗಣೇಶ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ
Friends, we are searching for Ganesha. We don't know exactly where they are. So we are here to buy the Ganesha idols. ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ
ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡುತ್ತೀನಿ.
Sir, finally you took idol. So why did you choose this Ganesha?
It looks nice.
He looks nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is all I look for.
Sir, what is your opinion? How was the experience of buying Ganesha here?
It was difficult to find the place, but finally we got one what we wanted.
Okay. Sir, Ganapati Bappa. Ganapati Bappa. Moria. Ganapati Bappa. Friends, finally we took the Ganesha. Now we are going to home.
Ganapati Bappa.
Moria.